Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Solana Social Explorer token. Now this token is powered by Tapestry, it says, and ticker symbol is SSE. Trending number 2 right now in the Solana section on Dex Screener. This is a very popular token that basically just came out 6 hours 34 minutes ago and already has some big central exchange listings. We're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So SSE is the ticker symbol. This token here just got listed today, February 5th, 10 a.m. UTC time, 10:30 a.m. UTC time on a very big central exchange called Coinex Global. And it also just got listed here on Mexc Global. So it is available now on both of those exchanges. So if you're looking to get this token here, and you don't have a Coinex Global or an Mexc Global account, I do have a Coinex Global and an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc or Coinex Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT. You'd go into the trade section and you would search SSE and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So you can find this token here listed on SolScan, and if you go to SolScan, you can find it listed on Dex Tools, Dex Screener, Bird Eye. This token was created on pump.fun, which is a web page for creating Solana tokens. You can tell because the contract address for this token ends in pump. On Dex Screener, you can find a web page and Twitter link. Now, a Twitter link, I believe, just takes you over to Tapestry. Use Tapestry. I am going to put that Twitter up in the corner of the screen here so you guys can easily find this project. Now it says Solana Social Explorer is the first trading platform that tracks and confirms social blockchain data from top traders, powering users with automated tools and insights to optimize token trading, and is powered by Tapestry. So if you actually go to the web page here, explorer.usetapestry.dev, right at the top of the page, it says Solana Social Explorer, and it says search, connect wallet. It says search a username or wallet address, and then it has a search bar, and you can click execute. Then you can also create a profile, it says. Create a profile to follow wallets on-chain and see their swaps in real time. And they have profile info for other profiles that you could check out if you want to see other people's profiles. It actually shows top traders there. So it has, I'm assuming this person made $2.58 million. Or that's what their wallet holds. But yeah, you could follow these wallets that have millions of dollars in them. Top 3 holders have basically like 2 mil or more. And then they have trending tokens section. So you can see like the official Trump token is trending right now. Calico coin is trending right now, and I'm posting a video of that token as well. That one actually just got listed on Coinex Global and Mexc Global as well today, so that's a very popular token. And yeah, so then there's tickers going at the top of the webpage there that has trending info and updates and things like that you could follow. So check out their webpage, explorer.usetapestry.dev. So if we go over to their Sol Scan, it says there's 6 decimal places on this token. They have 14,848 holders so far. Token price is about 5 cents per token. Their market cap, $50 million, $50,209,000. So crazy, huge project here. Current supply, Pump.Fund tokens start out with a total supply of 1 billion tokens. They're deflationary, and right now the current supply for this token is 999,999,770 tokens. So yeah, on SolScan, if you go over there, you can find links to GMGN, RugCheck, Birdeye, Photon, Dex Tools, Dex Screener, Gecko Terminal, Bubble Maps, etc. So we could, if you go over to the RugCheck too, you could see who the top holders are and if there's any risks there as well, like any big whale holders and things like that. So this, their Twitter, use Tapestry here. I'm going to put that in the corner of the screen there as well. And they have 13,200 Twitter followers. They joined in May. There's a link to the application right there. It says get your API key. The Internet Social Graph by Solana, blue verified checkmark, 238 posts. And yeah, so check out the Twitter there. But yeah, you are going to find this token available to purchase today on Coinex and on Mexc, and it says Tapestry is a powerful social graph protocol. That's the tagline there for Tapestry. And besides that, let's check out the RugCheck here, see if there's any warnings. So it says risk analysis is good. There is one holder that has 10% of the tokens, so just be aware of that. That's a pretty big holder. The second holder, 6%. Third holder, 5%. Fourth holder, 3%, and then it says the creator, which has 3% of the tokens. So there's some decent-sized holders there. They're not gigantic whales, but the top holder, 10.86% of the tokens. That's a decent amount of tokens. So just be aware if that person sells, there goes 1/10 of the price. Basically, that's how that's going to work. Around 1/10. But yeah, they have a 24-hour trading volume today of $106.4 million. $1.2 million worth of liquidity in Raydium, and 93.64% of that liquidity is locked and burned, and they're up almost 47,000% in the past 24 hours. So this is a very popular project today, getting a bunch of central exchange listings. Check out the other videos I'm doing today on tokens being listed on Mexc Global, like Calicoin. That's a super popular token today. There's another one called Luna, which is a cat token. Well, Luna is the ticker symbol. That one's trending number 7 right now on Dex Screener in the Solana section. So check that one out as well. But yeah, there's tons and tons of very popular projects today on Mexc Global, so definitely check out all the referral codes down there. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.